Welcome to IdeaRaja channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make a bill invoice in Microsoft Excel, which contains of 5 columns. The first column is bill number, second one is the item description, third one is price of each individual item, then fourth one is quantity of item in the bill invoice. The final one is bill amount. Please watch the full video for better understanding. The model Excel is available in the video description. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed to our channel.